Now, we've already learned about permanent magnets. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to make a permanent magnet using both electrical and contact methods. What you will need in order to make a permanent magnet using the electrical method is an iron nail, 2 meters of insulated copper wire of 32 SWG, or standard wire gauge, 2 dry cells, a piece of cardboard, and a few file clips. First, make a 5 centimeter long tube using the piece of cardboard. Wind the copper wire of 32 SWG around that tube to make a coil. Before making the iron nail magnetic, just make sure if the nail contains magnetic power by bringing the iron nail closer to the file clips and checking whether they are attracted to the iron nail. Once you're done checking, insert the iron nail into the cardboard tube. Next, scrape both ends of the coil and connect it to the dry cell so that they start supplying electricity throughout the circuit. Once the electricity is supplied several times, take the iron nail away and observe what happens while bringing it close to the file clips. You'll observe that the file clips get attracted to the iron nail. This is how you make a permanent magnet using the electrical method. Now, let's learn how to make one using the contact method in the next slide. The contact method is also known as a single touch method. This is also one of the various methods of making a material like iron magnetic. In this method, the magnet is rubbed over the material from one end to the other in the same direction for a period of time. What you will need for this activity is a steel needle, a few file clips, a bar magnet, and that's about it. Before rubbing the magnet on the needle, bring the needle close to the file clips to check whether it has magnetic power. After that, place the needle on a table horizontally and take the bar magnet and start rubbing it on the needle from one end to the other in the same direction. Rub the magnet on the needle several times. Now, bring the needle close to the file clips and just see what happens. You will see that the file clips are attracted to the needle and then get attached to it. This is how you make a permanent magnet using the contact method.